Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Business confidence has declined to its lowest level since 2015. That's according to the latest Business and Consumer Confidence Survey released by the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce today. Andrew Laidley has details.
The survey, which covers the first 2 quarters of 2020, shows that businesses are not optimistic about current economic conditions. In fact, the index which measures the current conditions declined to its lowest since 2013. It revealed that businesses are playing it safe. They indicated that they do not believe it is a good time for investment and expansion. The survey also highlighted that while these concerns are consistent with those expressed in the fourth quarter of 2019, the extent of the concern is much greater than before. That's because of the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. Despite the global crisis, businesses expect a bright future for the economy. The survey proposes that these expectations are driven by 3 main factors: the anticipation that businesses will be opened up fully within the next 12 months, lessons from the effective management of a crisis, as well as expectation for a steady flow of tourists into the country following the pandemic. At the heart of this gain is an anticipation for improvement in finances, although businesses do not expect this to result in improved profits. The survey suggests that this is perhaps explained by the anticipated 1 to 3 years recovery period after the pandemic. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, consumer confidence dipped during the last 2 quarters. The survey highlighted that this was largely affected by the restrictions placed on businesses and movement due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The decline is a change from the pattern leading up to 2019, when consumer confidence peaked. The findings also show that consumers have a high expectation that the economy will rebound. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $147.05, the Canadian dollar $110.47. The pound closed at $186.44, while the euro is going for $170.43. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 2,923 points today, and the junior market index is down 51 points. Among the winners, Honeybun, Caribbean Cream, Proven Investments US dollar shares, T-Tech, and Stationery and Office Supplies. On the losing side were AMG Packaging and Paper, Medical Disposables and Supplies, General Accident Insurance Company, Lasco Financial Services, and Panjam Investments. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.